Hello everybody, welcome to my new tutorial. In my previous tutorial I show you about set relative location and rotation and set world location and rotation, but in this tutorial I will show you about set relative scale and set set world scale. So I created a BP, name it BP test move. It's a actor class, and I create a float which value is 0. I name it scale move. Previously I show this function, so I add it with event teeth with plus 0.1, because if it's become 1, then we can the value will change very rapidly, so I give it as a 0.1. So I take the cube as a reference. In my actor BP I just add a cube in viewport. So from the cube I search set relative scale 3D. It overcome a cube, I just delete it, and another set world scale 3D. So both have x, y and z axis, and I just split it so I can input their value separately. So in here you can see that our scale is 1 1 1, and if we move it like in give the value is x axis, it will take value in x. If we give it to y, it will take the value in y, and in z. If we increase it in 3 way, then it will be scale like that. So I just give a value to x axis and play simulate. We cannot see anything because there is a 0 0 in here. We can see that in our world it have 1 1 1, so that's why we cannot see. Now if we play now, we can say the value in x axis is increasing, and if we give the value to y and give value to x in 1, then it will increase in y axis like this. And z will increase in z, and x y z together will scale the whole thing similarly. So let's try set world scale 3D. Add the value in x and give the value to 1 1 in yz. So now play simulate. It will increase the scale at x axis, same like the relative scale, and if we give it to y, it will then increase the scale value in y axis. So now you can ask the question, the both have same functionality, but what is the difference between them? So now we will try difference between it. I just give a 3 scale value in world, and I try the set world scale 3D from x axis. So now if we play, you can see that our yz become 1 1, and if we now test it from relative scale with same functionality in y1, but if we now simulate it, now you can see the y axis is still a value 3, which we give in viewport, but again if we test it in set world scale, the scale from y become 1, because we give 1 in set world scale, but in relative scale it's totally different. So this is the difference between them. They have similar functionality but different use. Now if we it depends how you use it in your game. So this is my tutorial for today. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Bye bye everybody.